Stop stressing about your follower count. Meta's algorithm cares about one thing: engagement. A small active community is worth more than 1 million silent followers. Real growth happens in the comments. Talk to your audience, answer their questions, and be a real person. When you put connections over numbers, the reach follows naturally. Focus on your community today. The post and ghost habit is killing your reach. The first 30 minutes after you upload are the most important. When you reply to your comments immediately, you tell the algorithm this post is worth sharing. Stick around for 10 minutes, start a conversation, and keep the momentum alive. Treat your comments like a chat, not a chore. Your analytics will thank you. Do you want free growth? Focus on shareability. Likes are great, but shares are the ultimate endorsement. Ask yourself, does this video solve a problem or make my viewer look smart? When you provide a quick win or a relatable moment, people can't help but hit that share button. Create for them and your audience will do the marketing for you. Stop trying to post 5 times a day. You're only going to burn out and lose your audience. One high quality post that sparks a conversation is worth more than 10 check the box videos. People want your best, not your busiest. Slow down and focus on impact. Quality wins the long game. What's one valuable thing you can share today? Want to double your engagement? Start using the reply with video feature. When you answer a comment with a reel, it shows your audience you're actually listening. It builds massive trust and it gives you fresh content ideas that people already care about. So why not try it today? Feature a fan and watch your community connections grow. Don't let declining follower counts discourage you. An unfollow isn't a failure, it's a filter. You want an audience that actually cares about your niche, not a bunch of ghost followers. A smaller engaged list is much more profitable than a huge list of people who ignore you. Be your authentic self and the right people will stay, and those are the ones who matter. You have exactly 3 seconds to stop someone from scrolling. If you start with, "Hey guys," you've already lost. Start with a result, a shock or a struggle. Give them an immediate reason to stay. Spend more time on your hook than any other part of your video. Master the first 3 seconds and you'll master the algorithm. What's your hook today? Stop waiting for perfect lighting or the best camera. On social media, authentic beats perfect every time. People connect with real stories, not polished brands. Some of the best videos are filmed in the car. Your audience wants the real you. Perfection makes you feel unreachable. So just hit record today. Your community is waiting for the real version of you. Now I bet you're wondering, how often should you post? The answer is whenever you can do it consistently. Disappearing for months kills your momentum. The algorithm rewards predictability. If you can only do 3 days a week, stick to those 3 days every single week. Build the habit for your audience. Consistency is the key to long-term growth. If you want to succeed as an affiliate or a content creator, you have to lead with value, not a sales pitch. Nobody opens an app to be sold to. They come to be entertained or educated. Solve a problem first, and once you have their trust, a recommendation feels like advice from a friend. Build a relationship with your community first. The business results will take care of themselves.